subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After a long gap, the Honor has launched its new affordable smartphone called Honor Play 5T Live or 5T Youth Edition in China. Talking about the specifications, the Honor Play 5T Live supports a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Honor Play 5T Live features a quad camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad camera includes one 13MP main camera along with the 5MP ultra wide angle lens plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Magic UI 4.0 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 22.5W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.2 by 76 by 9.2 mm and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor Play 5T Live has been priced in China at 1,299 Chinese yuan. And the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Magic Night Black and Aurora Blue color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from April 27th. So what do you guys think of this Honor Play 5T Live smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.